Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Fortran Academy. My name is Harshwats, and today we will be talking and discussing about creating calendar in Power BI Desktop. Power BI Desktop is an analytical software that will help you in understanding your data set through various visualization in different data models. Now let us go further and talk about the point to be discussed in this video. So in this video we will mainly talk about 2 points. In the first point, we will talk about how to create calendar in your data set. And secondly, we will tell you how to extract information from your calendar. So these are the 2 points we will talk about in this video. To understand all these 2 points, we have to go into a Power BI desktop. So let's go into a Power BI desktop. Now we are in Power BI desktop in data model interface and specifically in data view. So there are three views in data model interface. One is report view, another is data view, and third is model or you can say relationship view. In my previous videos, if you have seen, I have created these three columns using specific language. In this, I have used an M language which is been done or controlled through Power Query Editor, and these two I have created in data model interface itself. So in data model interface itself, the question arises like there are mostly more than 200 formulas that you can use in a DAX formula to generate new formulas. So through that, in this video, I will tell you how to create a calendar in your dataset through DX language. So how to do that? As you can see, we do not require calendar in our dataset. So we will create a new table first of all. For that, you have to go into the home ribbon in a calculation. You will click on a new table. So when I click on a new table, you can see it's specifically written write a DAX expression to create a new table. That means you have to write a DAX language. So we will create a new table in which we have to write a code like this, like in my previous videos to create a new calendar here. As we are now in a new table, we have to write a code for it. So it's a table. So first of all, we can change the name. We can say it as date daily. Again, now we have to write the code. So what's the code for calendar? So it's specifically it's in name itself. We have to write calendar. So when you write a calendar, just write CAL. You will see there are three things that are available to you. Calculate table. After that calendar. After that calendar auto. You can see how this function works. There are more than 200 DAX code that you can use to write a specific code for your column. So I want a calendar, return a table with one column of all dates start between. So return a table with one column of all dates between start and end date. So after that, I use a up and down cursor to go through this different thing. When you specifically go into one particularly which you want to select, after that click on tab, that code will be written. That formula is written. Now I have to write a start date. So before writing a start date, I have to write a formula for date itself. So when I type DA, there are things that are available to me. So I will use a date because I want to write a date. So after that, using a cursor, go into the date. After that, click on tab. So date will be written. Year, I want to write 2019. Year, I want to write 2019. After that, month is 01. Day is 01. After that, I will close this and end date I have to write. Again, I have to write date. Again, I have to open the bracket. Again, 2020 01 01. Again, I have to close this bracket and after that click on enter. So it will take a few seconds to execute the order what you have already written. So in date daily, it is available now. When you click on a date, so you can see in here the date has now been written. So this is how you make a calendar in Power BI desktop. So it is the whole date has been written from 1 January 2019 to 1 January 2020. If you want to change the format, you can also do that. That is also available in here formatting. If you want to change, you can change from the general to any date you want. Like date format, this would be also available. It will take a few seconds to execute the order. Now you can see it's in now date, which is 1 January 2019. If you want to make any other format, you also go in here format section. You will see which is a common format in here. You can also see other format that are available to you. You can use any of it. So I will use specifically this one, so which I already selected. Now this is how you make a calendar in Power BI desktop. So before going any further, first of all I will change the name of this column, which is actually date daily. Double click on it. After that write daily, then enter. The name of the column will be changed within a few seconds. So I will create a new column in which I will extract an information out of this column. For example, even if you have a data set in which date is available and certain things you want to extract from it, you can do it writing your formula. So how to do that? So first of all, we have to make a new column. Just click on a new column. New column will be created within seconds. In just the new column has now been created. Now we have to write a code. Now the new column has been created. Now we have to extract an information from date daily. Like I have already told you in my previous videos about understanding M and DAX language. In DAX language you have to cite any column. For that you have to use close brackets. So first of all you write a close bracket. When you write a close bracket there is option that is available to you date daily. After that click on tab. When you click on tab there is option that opens up that if you want to any extract information from the date daily that is available to you, that which you have created using DAX formula. Now you can extract any information, like if you want to extract day, so that can be extracted. Just click on it. After that tab, after click on enter. So the column has been created and it will take a few seconds to extract information from the date daily column into this column. So you can see the date has been extracted, and this you could do also with month. So I will show you that how you do it. So you can easily remove this code and write it for month also. You just backspace it. After that I want to extract the month. Click on tab and then click on enter. Then you can extract the information for month also. So this is how you extract information from date daily which you have created through DAX formula. So there are more than 200 formula rather than this calendar which you can use. If you want to learn more about this formula, you can directly go to the Microsoft site in which you can search for the DAX language in Power BI desktop. You can see there are other formulas that you can use, and how do you use those formula, how to write up the code for that is also available in Microsoft site. So this is how you extract information or make a calendar in Power BI desktop. So with this point I am going to end this video, and I hope your queries got cleared, and if not, kindly write us in comment section. We will surely get back to you. And if this video helped you in any way, kindly drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel for amazing videos in future. Till then, have an amazing and good day.